Welcome to Side Hustle Finance.
Today, I'm sharing 7 profitable small business ideas you can start in the US. And make sure you watch till the end to see which idea is the easiest and which earns the most.
Let's jump straight into the top 7 business ideas.
Idea number 1, digital services.
US small businesses need help with posts, videos, websites, and more.
Idea number 2, home cleaning and organization.
Busy people need weekly and monthly cleaning services. Idea number 3, mobile car detailing. Start under $300 and make up to $300 a day.
Idea number 4, lawn care and landscaping.
This business can earn thousands per month.
Idea number 5, tutoring and skill teaching.
Teach English, coding, music, or math. Idea number 6, content creation services. Idea number 7, delivery and local errand services. Perfect for helping busy families and seniors.
The easiest idea for beginners is digital services.
Highest earning potential, lawn care, car detailing, and content creation.
Subscribe for more US business ideas.